Hey everyone, welcome back to Stranded, episode 2. Okay, so yeah, we're going to start off where we picked off. We're going to off where we left off. Let me get it right. Hopefully you can hear me okay and the image is a lot clearer. For some reason, I had replaced my old GPU or graphics card, and for some reason it messed with all my settings on my recording software. So hopefully that issue has been solved now. But we'll see how it goes. Now the goal for today is to get myself a proper a larger refinery and assembler. So I'm going to be replacing the existing refinery and assembler, but at the same time I need to build this. So we're going to get going. We're going to see what we need for it. So I'm going to go with refinery first. Refinery. We are going to need. Well, looks like we've got a lot of the stuff we need. Just going to go with the normal refinery, not the industrial, because I'm not quite set up for that. So once we've got this refinery and the larger assembler up and running, not going for the industrial, going for the other assembler, which is that one, which I started to build last episode, if you remember, but I removed it. But yeah, I wanted to go through that process of building those in this video. Um, but I hope you enjoyed the first one. I know these videos are quite long, and if you managed to suffer through it all, thank you very much. And thank you for subscribing, following, and liking my videos if you do. I hope to get more of you involved. So yeah, the interesting thing is, um, I have them on my bar down here. Now, see, the thing is, I want to build a mining ship, um, to potentially turn into my first drone miner. But obviously, to start off with, because I don't know how to at the moment, I need to figure it out. So we're going to be building those today. Um, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to check my build planner. Oh, I'm going the wrong way because I'm in third person. I should change that. All right. So we're going to see what we need. Ooh, hold on. Where am I? What am I thinking? Oh yeah, I was going to look at my build planner. Oh, that's in G. So I'll press G. Build planner has the industrial ones, which I don't want. So we want refinery. Uh, yep, and assembler. Basic assembler. Well, not a basic assembler, but there we go. So we've got them parts. We're going to shift middle mouse, get those in production, check that they are in production. They are. But the thing is, we need to get some stone and cobalt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you guys back, once I have enough cobalt and iron. Obviously, nothing's changed. This is exactly the same as I left it before. I haven't done anything. So I'll be back shortly. Okay, so as you can see, um, I have suddenly got something on my screen that I don't want on my screen. Network monitor? How do I get rid of that? Uh, hmm. Network monitor, network monitor. I don't know how I managed to get network monitor up. It's odd. Was I pressing shift? No. Can't seem to get rid of network monitor for some reason. Why is that? Okay, I'm gonna have to. Okay, I've never had that come up before, so yeah, Control H to get rid of it. Um, right, okay. I'm looking. I thought I'd go out whilst the refinery is processing some iron and cobalt. I'm looking for. I thought I'd come out and look for some nickel, which is something I need. It looks like we may have some resources around here. I've already actually found gold and silver. I should be on top of some resources here, and it's not showing me. It's very dark, so there should be something here. But it's not showing me what. I mean, that is dark. That is a patch of... that. There is something here, so what has happened? It's not showing me. I mean, clearly there are resources here. I can see them. I can see the surface discoloration. It's like where I set up the iron mine and that. There is a lot of iron. I'm telling you. Why is it not showing me what it is? I mean, there's clearly resources here, but it's not showing me. I mean, it's on. Okay, let me just park here and get out. It's not showing me what resources in it. What? Your handbrake is on. It's not showing me what there is. Huh. I mean, there's clearly resources here, right? I can see. I mean, that's a patch for that would show where the resources are. But for some reason, it's not showing me what there are. There is. I mean, look, there's tons of it around here. And earlier on, I found gold and silver, so it was working. I suppose it could be too deep. Maybe it's too deep. I don't know. It's odd. Why is it not showing me what resources there are here when clearly there are? Interesting. Let's have a look. Um, I wish there was a way to search what you're looking for. Systems interactions. Read and objects. Toolbars, tool pane, miscellaneous. Hmm. Hmm. Could it be signal mode? Ah, nickel. It was because when I pressed Control and H to get rid of the network monitor, it came up and it didn't it cancelled out the display things. So okay, so I'm gonna mark this. It's only 16 feet, 16 meters. So we're gonna mark this nickel Mg. I think that's it. Nickel magnesium. Oh, and silicone. Okay, and silicone. like I said, I have found gold and silver on the way here. They're in pretty much the same place. Just put silicon. Just the first two letters. So it's nickel, magnesium, silicone. Plenty of it around here. Okay. Now, this is the problem. I need to get some. So I'm going to be going backwards and forwards a bit. So I need nickel. Where's the best place to get nickel? That's 20 odd meters. Silicon. There was a nickel that was pretty close to the surface, wasn't there? Where is it? Where was it? I just thought there was. Maybe not. Okay. Ah, hold on. There it is. Right, so I'm going to back off a bit. I'm going to double right click, crouch, and let's just start going down. Well, I don't need to collect stones, so going straight to it. This is what I need a mining chip for. I need the nickel so that I can get some nickel ore, nickel ingots. There we go, nickel. The nickel is what we need at the minute. So what I might do is I might have to stick a cargo container on the rover for now, and go from that. Okay. The way out is up. Oh, not quite too steep, but I'll have to make an adjustment. But yeah, I'm going to have to go back. And I'm going to put a cargo container on there, and I think to put a cargo container on there, I need to put a conveyor converter. So yeah, this is going to be fun. Right, that's marked, so I know where it is. Now we need to go to base, which is that away? It's that way. 1.6 kilometers away. 1.62 kilometers. And of course now it's going to show me every bit of ore that I've passed. Typical. Finding the gold and silver was actually very much a surprise, because we don't need it right now, but well, we'll need it later on, because the idea is to build a ship and get off this rock, this uninhabited planet, which would have potential for any colony that chose to come this way. It's around the map, around the other side of the map. There, it's over there. It's over there. It's not too far. It's just under 2 kilometers, which isn't too bad, I guess. But if I had a mining ship, it would be a lot better. So, but until then, I need to put a cargo module onto this, or cargo container onto this. So I think I've already got it queued up on the refinery on the to be built. So I've got the parts manufacturing, and although you do need nickel, you don't. I don't think you need a lot of it, to be honest. Let's see what's in production. See, we've got a lot of this stuff. See, everything here most of it, the important stuff, needs nickel. And now we've got some nickel. Need to make sure that the nickel is being refined. I only got 300. I don't know if I'm going to have enough. And I need to get some iron by the looks of it. Oh no, we've got iron there. So there is iron. There's iron. There's cobalt. Nickel. But it's connected anyway, so it should process okay. The motors, they're going to need nickel iron ingots. I'm finally getting some, but I need 10. Oh, 16. So I mean, I've got 10 nickel ingots. No iron. Okay. So can I move that over now to make that priority? And then switch that into there. That stone is taking up a lot of space. And we don't need it. Okay. I'll take that stone out. And I'm going to just... I'm actually going to drop it down here, I think. I don't need it. And there's no way to dispose of it other than that. So we don't need the stone. It's going to be boulders of stone rolling around. Okay. Stone is just taking up space that is needed for the more important thing. There we go. There we go, that's better. Plenty of cobalt, plenty of iron now, so put that there, nickel there, cobalt there, silicon can stay there. Okay, so hopefully that's going to improve the production. Yes, it is. That's awesome. Right. So there is a bunch of things in production, including the parts required for this. Not this. But no, this. The conveyor converter. I can't place it. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Thing is, that should fit, 'cause it's got a small connector on one side, so I don't. Medium container can be used. It won't let me place it. Why? I'm wondering why. I mean, that is a converter, right? Right, that's the that's the air vent. That's the oxygen tank. That's the hydrogen tank. We don't need that. That is not important. It's just a ladder. It brings it up, and now get up here. Small conveyor. So yeah, that's a small conveyor. So there shouldn't be anything stopping unless...
Inventory full. Inventory full.
Doing that. It's purely cosmetic. We don't need the cosmetics right now.
Inventory full.
In case it's... That's not what's preventing it. What about the spare tile?
Inventory full. Inventory full.
Spare tire might have been the one stopping it. No? Okay. I mean, that's small grid, so that should go on there as a medium container. That should fit. It'd be nice if I can put that there. If I can get that lower down, it's got the positioning. That'd be good. That would be good. Because the weight will be lower to the ground, which means that it will be much better. You need interior plate. So I haven't got. So it's the interior plate I need. I need the interior plate to start building that. Okay. And I hand put it. What about the? I can put that there now. Okay. I want to spin that round. There we go. I've got the big one at the back. So I don't think I needed the converter, to be honest. Fine. I'm just going to be stealing the components from the other items at the moment. Get this done. I haven't checked to see what I need actually. What do I need? That needs construction components. Construction components, small to steel pipe, tubes, and stuff like that. There was the small steel tubes, computers, construction components. Nice. That's the converter done. It's just missing one display. One display. There we go. There we go. Now that's ready. Put everything back. What are we running low on? Steel. We're running low on iron. So what we're running low on is nickel, is nickel and iron. Okay, get rid of that. Okay, let's. I'm gonna go and get some more iron because it's right here. Okay. Oh, there's a few bits lying around. Bam. Bit of punch to pick up. Right. Let's go and dump this into the refinery, get the rest out of here, and then head over and get some nickel. Trying out the new Rover with the cargo storage. I should be able to get plenty with that. couple of runs. One more run into here, then I'll go and get some nickel. Finding that nickel was pretty good, being so close. It's actually a pretty good advantage. Should fill me up.
Inventory full.
Well, that'll do for now. Go and get some nickel. Should be alright for cobalt. Really? But I'll check the cobalt numbers. Cobalt. Yeah, we're fine for cobalt. It's so much stone. You always get stone, no matter what. Yeah. Gonna go and get some more nickel. And because I've got this now, gonna be a lot easier. I can get some more. Whoa! No, 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 no. And the gyro's busted, which is what I would use to correct it. Ah. Where is the gyro on this one? Normally. Damn it. Damn, 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 damn. That was great. It's in these power cells now. Okay. Production. I'm going to cancel everything. It's going to be fun. Cancel all that. And that added everything. So that's added everything again. Okay, I'm gonna clear that. Oh, what was that about me failing? This is gonna be enjoyable to do. I think I have those. Even my cargo container's not fixed. It's not. Nothing's fixing. I think this rover's done for. Damn. That was my source of hydrogen as well. Needs everything. Why? Scrap is on. Now that I didn't realise. Damn, 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 damn. Oh, this is fun. Why do I do this to myself? I can't even write it to get it over here. Damn it. Large steel tubes and small steel tubes. Oh, large steel tubes. Small steel tubes. Yay! What's the hydrogen? Oh, it's the hydrogen tank sorted. Parachute. I don't need a parachute, do I? Okay. So that's functioning. That's functioning. Need interior plate, display, and that's interior plate. Hmm. Right. Disassemble motors. I'll take them displays out. I need interior plate. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Interior plate. Construction components. Oof. 20 power cells for that. 20 bloody power cells. Well, looks like this video's gone a bit haywire. I literally rolled the rover, destroyed half of it. Ironically, that's why I wanted the cargo container down lower to lower the downforce. And yeah, it kind of backfired. Oh, I don't get rid of those actually. Oh, that was the assembler. Oh. Great fun. So it looks like this stream is going to be this video is going to be all about rebuilding the rover. 3, 2, 1. Alright, that's the power cells. In the next episode. At least you don't lose the power. Interior plate. Way too much interior plate. That's a bit excessive from exterior plate. Okay, there's still smoke coming from it. Okay. Now I think the problem now is that the gyro is hidden inside. I'll put a temporary one on, I guess. What do I need for a gyro now? Gyro. Computers, motors, large supply, steel plate. Okay. Got steel plate. I've got plenty of steel plate. Motors. Dude. Did I not pick up motors? Just sworn I picked up some motors. No. Motors. Can't remember what else it needed. Damn it. Computers. Have some of them as well, I think. Oh. Construction components, not computers, dumbass. Dummy, 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 dummy. Construction components. Which I do have. Ah. Day in the life of being stranded on another planet. Okay, now. Let's go to... Override or not. There we go. Moment of truth. Or not. It's not working. Override control? Okay. It's supposed to be able to correct itself, right? What am I missing? Okay. Gonna have to do it a different way. Roll. Roll override. This is gonna be fun. Ooh. A dampener. This might hurt. This might hurt. Come on, correct. Come on. Well, that's not working like a roll override. Change it then. Pitch override? Okay. Pitch override it is. Let's try the pitch. Whoa! Almost. Yes! It's back on its wheels, where it's supposed to be. Maybe it's because of the position I put it in that it's acting like that. Okay. Oh, no. Handbrake. Okay. Now, so that I don't accidentally screw that up. Right. Right. Toggle block on and off. I want it. Toggle block on and off. There we go. Right. Gonna have a smoky rover until I can build something better. Right. Now that that's sorted, this video has taken a dramatic turn. But at the same time, while I'm here, I want to do something about the steering. Antenna incomplete. Yeah, still got stuff to repair. Antenna, event controller, gyroscope. Well, that's okay because I've got a new one replacing that. Hydrogen tank incomplete. Oxygen tank incomplete. Oh dear.
Inventory full.
Hydrogen tank, oxygen tank, event controller, antenna. Right.
Inventory full.
Looks like I may have to design a new rover. Look at that one actually. Get rid of the parachute. Oops. There's a gyroscope. Is that the event control? That's the antenna. Event controller. Okay. Whew. get rid of that for now. So, we need antenna. We're doing it's got to be in progression, hasn't it? I bet I haven't got. I haven't got an antenna. Antennas are not unlocked. What I need is a battery. I've built a battery. I've built a battery before. I'm sure of it. Yeah, I built a battery for on here, didn't I? Yeah. Didn't I? Yeah, it's there. Doesn't seem to be doing anything. Is that because these aren't finished? Completely messed this one up, haven't I? So apparently you guys, you want me to build another battery. Interestingly enough. Power cells. Again with the power cells. Well, I'm rebuilding the rover. Oh Jesus, this is great. What a great start episode this is gonna be. This has been. So hopefully next time you come in, I will have rebuilt the rover, and yeah, I'm not gonna make you go through it all with me. So yeah, I'm gonna rebuild this rover, or at least repair it to its close to its former glory. Because I need it I need it so I can go and collect the nickel. Funny enough. So yeah. Till next time, guys. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.